Hey, software developers, you just got access to Microsoft Copilot, the AI companion that will protect your data and help you crush your next sprint. To find your unique Copilot way of coding, head to copilot.microsoft.com and sign in with your work account. You've got this. When it comes to generating code, you're covered. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you could ask Copilot to write a JavaScript method that uses sentiment analysis to classify customer reviews and use your expertise to focus on refinement. Speaking of code, you can also translate it. Instead of learning a new language for one project, you could ask Copilot to translate that JavaScript code into a different language, then quickly customize and iterate with your results. And here's your new favorite way to debug. Instead of searching for hours to find the bug, you could ask Copilot to analyze an error message, so you can optimize performance and ensure quality. Access Copilot through Windows, Edge, Bing, or copilot.microsoft.com to get more support in your day-to-day and innovate even more efficiently. Log on now to see what Copilot can do for you.